Hello and welcome to Daily Red Video. In this episode, we are going to fix Facebook application login failed error in iPhone. After users upgrade from older iPhone to a new iPhone or changing their iPhone to a different model and restoring the backup, people started to face this strange error with an error code 100 when they try to log into their Facebook account. The several troubleshooting steps that I have tried personally to fix this problem have never worked, and the only step which worked is erase all content and settings. I have tried changing the date and time to set it automatically. I have reinstalled the Facebook application. I have tried all settings reset. Nothing actually helped. Offloading the Facebook app and so on. Even I have asked one of my friend who actually had this problem to check whether any VPN or proxy or any network related configuration is preventing from logging into his Facebook account, and he have checked and there is no such application installed also. So finally, I had to suggest him to perform a clean installation or an iOS restore. But before that, I just wanted to try this erase all content and settings after making sure that he have taken a complete backup of his iPhone to his iCloud. The photos and videos, everything he stores to his iCloud, and then the contacts also stored, the notes and everything. Application specific data are also stored on his iCloud account. If you're not using iCloud storage, then it is important to manually take backup of all your data to a local computer or to Google Drive or any other cloud storage service that you are comfortable to use. Make sure you have also checked the Google Authenticator type of app, any two-factor authentication apps that you're using. Make sure that you have properly disconnected your iPhone, and then you can install the two-factor authentication application, and then you can synchronize everything with the web services that you're using. The banking applications, you need to follow the same procedure. You need to disconnect, or you need to make sure that there is a proper phone number, email address verification steps in place to reconnect everything to back in place. I know it is a very big headache, but after trying so many other troubleshooting steps and several other possibilities, I had to try this particular step. Nothing seems to be working, so that is the reason I'm suggesting you to perform the erase all content and settings. And I personally think that this error could be happening after restoring their old backup to the new iPhone, and some part of the old data is not matching. Maybe the device ID related information might be a mismatch with the Facebook server and the iPhone that you're using. So there might be some data even after reinstalling the Facebook, it is not working because some part of the device ID, device related data must be stored inside the cache system. Either it could be the other system storage or system storage related cache system that is preventing you to log into your Facebook account even after reinstalling the application. I'm not sure whether Facebook will fix it or Apple will come forward and try to adjust their system to make just the Facebook application which is actually facing the error to fix this problem. But meanwhile, this is the perfectly working solution we have right now, which you can try and fix the problem at the earliest. Otherwise, you can the alternative that I like to suggest is using Facebook application in Safari browser. That kind of gives some boost to your battery performance overall, the Facebook application being one of the biggest battery consuming application. So that also helps, but only if you're comfortable to use Facebook in Safari, because the user experience is entirely different with between the Facebook using in Safari and the Facebook application. So choice is yours. You have to decide, give it a shot and see how it actually goes. I hope this video helped you. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends at Facebook and Twitter. People who are facing similar problem in future may also find the answers quicker. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.